Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a greeting card. This would be perfect for Mother's Day, but I've also made a general card if you don't have a mom or you just want to make one for a grandparent or another significant person. And the materials that are needed for this craft is something to color with. So I have a bunch of markers, the printout done on a slightly thicker kind of a cardstock, and then scissors and some glue. And to begin with, we'll start with coloring all of our items and then writing 4 different reasons why we love our mom or our other special person. The printout for this activity is available for free on my website, and it can be downloaded at mirka.com/free-resources. Once everything's been colored out, then you'll want to cut around the gray areas on the top over here. And then don't forget to write your 4 reasons why you love your mom or your special person. And then make sure you write your name over here. And then once you're done with this, we're going to fold this first piece right here. Make sure you really fold the edge. And then we're going to fold the second piece in half. And so now our card looks like this. And then we'll take our 2 pieces that we did extra and we will glue those over here. And now when we close our card, we'll have all the different pieces over there, and then when you open the card, it'll make somebody's day. So you can either display it here or you can display it like this. Okay, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.